What's going on, guys? Drop It Like It's Scott here, and you're in the Mobile Command Center. And today, the reason why you're in the Mobile Command Center is I want to tell you about something that was sent to me by a company called GOODaaa. They create solar power banks that you can use if for some reason the power goes out. And in all the different things for the power going out all around the world and all the different things that's happening, with all the power outages that are supposedly just randomly happening, it's good to have something that you can use as a power backup in case you go home and you can't charge your phone or you can't charge certain items. This is something that is going to change that, and it is a solar powered charging bank. And this thing is, like I said, this is from a company called GOODaaa. And I have pulled this out already. I have used it, I've charged it. This is the solar powered charging bank from GOODaaa. Now there's some features on here that are really cool. This has, on the back side here, it's got all your different ports. It's got your USB, your USB-C. You can use every single one of your charging devices on this. The portable charger is equipped with 3 built-in output cables: Type-C, Lightning, Micro USB, and USB-A and USB-C. So like I said, this has all of your cables, and all the cables are right here on the back side of it, so you don't even need to have an extra cable. But if you have an extra cable, they will plug in right here. USB-C, USB, and USB-C-A. The power bank can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously, making it a perfect solution for families and friends when you're out on the go and using this for whenever things go sideways. Don't have to worry about plugging this into a wall because it is solar powered. You can just stick this out on top of the roof of your car, camper, RV, any of that stuff. You can see that it's flashing right there. That's how much battery life is left on this. This has 42,800 milliamp hours. This has LED flashlight, built-in cable, wireless charging. Voltage is 5 volts. It's practical, ready to go, built in to withstand tough conditions, shock resistant, corner bumpers, silicone covers, charging ports, and it's designed for drop proof, dust proof, and water resistant. It's not waterproof, it's water resistant. So if this thing gets rained on, you're gonna be fine. If you drop it in your pool or you drop it in a lake or something like that, you're probably not gonna have a good turnout with this thing. So what comes in the box? It comes with the solar power bank. It comes with a USB-C power cable right here, and it also has a little clip to where you can clip it to a little carabiner, to where you can clip it to your backpack. You find your little spot here. Little spot right here, you can clip your carabiner to it, and that way you can have this connected to your backpack or to your belt, to your duty belt. You can put this on your plate carrier, you can put this on your backpack, you can put this on your belt, whichever one you want to do. That way you always have power, always have charge. Power button here on the side will activate your flashlight. Hold it down, turn it on. That's a pretty bright flashlight. Push the button and it goes to strobe. Faster strobe. And then also on here there is a laser. You can see that you can put this on something to where if you want to point something out, show something, but you don't want to actually shine a flashlight on it, you can use this to shoot a laser on it. This thing will last a long time. You can charge up to 6 different items at the same time, with the 3 here and then the 3 up underneath here. Right now you can pick this up on Amazon. It is on sale for $25.99, and y'all need to go check that out. If you want something that is good for your survival pack, something for your go bag, this is a perfect idea for your go bag. Go over to Amazon. I'll put the link down below for Amazon. They do have other ones that you can pick up that have more solar panels that will unfold, and you can have like 3, 4, or 5 different little solar panels to charge faster and to charge more items. Those are a little bit higher in price. They're about 50, 55 bucks. This is a company called GOODaaa. Wireless bank chargers. Pretty dang awesome. And I'm going to utilize this on a regular basis. I'm going to keep this thing in my truck because you never know when power goes out or when something happens and you need a charge, or if I'm out, got my backpack, I'm doing something and my phone's dying and I need to have a charge. This is perfect for that. Hey, thanks for watching Drop It Like It's Scott. Make sure y'all pick one of these up. Today's video is brought to you by these guys right here. Gators Eyewear. These glasses, They are fantastic. They're super clear, super crisp, and they are probably some of the best glasses that I've had in a very long time. And it comes in this pouch right here with gaiters with the molly straps on the back. You guys can pick these up over on the website for gaiters down low. Description will have a link for these. Today's sponsor is Gators Eyewear. Make sure you tell them Drop It Like It's Scott sent you when you go pick up your Gators Eyewear. And that's it. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Here's your word of encouragement for today. All right, your word of encouragement for today is something that I heard yesterday at church, and I thought it was pretty profound, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It says, your past does not erase your purpose. Whatever you do, whatever you have done, it does not remove what God has called you to do. So keep pressing forward, because God knew and knows your future and your past. So remember, your past does not erase your purpose. Thanks for watching Drop It Like It's Scott. Enjoy your day, enjoy the journey. We'll see you on the next one.
I feel the danger is rising. I feel it's coming tonight. Coming tonight. I hope that you are prepared. I hope that you've come to fight. Don't give up.